Hello friends, welcome back to the Coastal Vlogger channel and it's been a long time since I have not done a video, so I regret doing that. I would like to say sorry to all my subscribers, but I didn't have any other option. You can see that I was not able to go to any friend's house or any other place due to the problem going regarding the COVID-19. You can see. So right now what I want to do is that I wanted to give my review or my thoughts on the brand new Thar. So you can see Thar has been my favorite vehicle, and I regret saying this, but I have a small piece of the Mahindra Thar, if you don't mind me showing it to you. So this is what to say, a small miniature Thar, you can see, but this actually has some other badgings on it. It's not actually the original Thar. So from now nearly 10 years back, the Thar was introduced into the Indian market, and with time it has evolved from one gen to another gen, and now the latest one, which resembles that of another car, if you don't mind me saying, that is the Jeep Wrangler. So the Jeep Wrangler is a similar one compared to the Thar, but the budgets are completely at a bigger level, because in case of the Jeep Wrangler, the pricing is around 75 lakhs, and the Mahindra Thar, the latest one, you get it just for 15 lakhs maybe. So without any delay, I would like to say some points regarding the new latest vehicle. So the new Thar comes in around 3 to 4 different colors actually. So the colors are, one is a brown one, another is a black, obviously blackish gray, another is a red. These were the colors shown to us till now. So I don't know whether the rest of the colors are coming up soon or not. But looking at the trailer of the Thar, I was completely astonished because it was exclusive with, it was like out of the world. On the Independence Day of India, it was released visually to everyone, and I guess you can start buying the Thar according to the details from 2nd October 2020. So you heard me right, 2nd October 2020. You are very lucky if you are one of the first person to buy it, because this time the Thar gets a special badging on it saying "Made in India with Pride." So sorry for the noise disturbance. My dog is inside the house. So apart from that, so made in India with pride, that gives a different feel in the body, and I'm sure that this car doesn't last outside the like other government or maybe outside the country. So it's binded within our government or within oh, sorry, not the government, within our country. So Mahindra has turned Indian recently, so it's a very good thing. So in Hindi we say सीना चौड़ा हो गया हमारा, so that is a very good thing for us. So the pricing is little costly. As you can see, the old Thar you used to get it around 7 lakhs to, at the rate of 7 lakhs to around 12 13 lakhs, but now it starts at 12 lakhs and goes up to 15 lakhs. That is ex showroom. So I guess on road price may go up to 20 lakhs when it comes to your automatic version, and the manual may not be that costly obviously. And the vehicle comes with a soft top and a hard top. So soft top, you can get it in both variants, and you can only manually remove it. So obviously you don't get the provision of automatically removing the soft top. Now I'll come to the practical talk about the interior and the exterior. So the Thar comes with two versions actually, automatic one and then a manual one. So the automatic version, I don't think it can give much of a feel. You can see automatic 4x4 drive, but don't forget that this Thar is mainly built for both the purposes, that is the urban and the rural. So as Autocar suggested, it's for the urban jungle actually. So the urban jungle means the traffic. So we cannot drag a 4 into 4 this large vehicle on a traffic road because anything can happen at any time. May not be your mistake also. So the vehicle is very difficult to manage on urban roads. So apart from that, the vehicle is best if you buy it in automatic, and it's a good thing that you get it in petrol version and diesel version actually. So I don't know when they'll actually release the electric Thar version, because soon India is to have all electric vehicles, maybe around 2030 or something. But like I said, cannot say anything. So I'm gonna display some pics of the interior of the vehicle. So you can see it's a 5-seater now, and has lot of changes. There are speakers inside the vehicle. You get a double din. Earlier you had to put a double din inside, and apart from that you get a daytime running light. And the body of the vehicle is stacked almost similar to the Wrangler, but if you see, the Wrangler has a more heavier front compared to that of what you get in the Thar. So that is one good thing if you ask me. And hard top or soft top, you may be having the doubt, but if you ask me, you better buy a hard top version, because no matter what, it will come in handy for you to travel long distances compared to a soft top one. But I feel the soft top one will be a bit cheaper compared to the hard top one. And once if you remove the total thing of the soft top, it will be like windy and dust can come, rainwater, all that stuff who requires all that. Like, it's very difficult to maintain a car these days, as we all know it. But that's all I can say about this Mahindra Thar actually. So once it comes in showroom, maybe I'll go there and just do a video. You can see I'm like bloodthirsty for this car. I've always waited for it from my childhood, but you can see we cannot afford a car that big, and for a family people or a family drive and all, Thar is not sufficient. You can see my family is big that too. So regarding that I can't say anything. And maybe I'll do some videos going to some of my friends house showing their bikes, cars or something like that in the upcoming vlogs. So this will be not a very good video, I suppose. So please, I would like to say to all my viewers that please like, subscribe and share the video. And maybe I can come up with a better idea of doing more and more videos. So thank you friends. Thank you for watching.